What it do, man? It's your boy Phoenix Orion, and you're watching PXO 360, the realest actuality show on the net. Believe that. What up, man? It's your boy PX, yup. Mohawk and my big nose. I'm back. PXO 360, man. I'll be getting it in with y'all 360 days of this year. It's the first little, little jump off will be getting it in. My boy right here, Almost Black Studios, T-Hulk, is downsizing. See what technology did? You see what's up? Obsolete now. Just gotta get rid of it now. Everything is changed. Things are changing. So, brand new year, man. New spirits, new vibes, ready to get that new money, that new paper. You feel me? PXO 360. Gone. Alright, man, it's your boy PXO Future Flow. This is how real it is. And like I said, I'm gonna keep it totally real with y'all this year. I'm at the U-Haul place getting in a U-Haul truck because I'm moving. Yes, the second day into the new year, and already I must move, and I'm looking at this freeway right here. Check out the traffic. Alright, so this is the room. Move from my house to a room. We'll go downstairs and move all this furniture and stuff in here because I had to move by myself. Thanks, all my friends. So that's all my stuff right here in the back of the U-Haul. Ready to take this out, move this upstairs. Half hour in, I'm almost done. Give me 10 more minutes, man. Then we going to the studio. Real nigga, what's up? Oh, that's my phone going off, man. Like I said, I'm about to close this down. And I'm off to the studio. Gone. Alright, it's around 8 o'clock tonight, man. I'm back at the U-Haul place where I picked up the truck. On my way to the studio right now. Shouts out to my boy DJ Scientific. We about to get it in, man. It is what it is. Y'all seen reality shows, right? Everybody like watching reality shows. The House Husbands, that's one of my favorites. It's funny. I like that, how they make a parody of reality shows, right? But this ain't a reality show. This is an actuality show. This reality show, certain things are scripted. This is not scripted. You're gonna see some real life stuff going down this year, man. PXO 360. Hello there, and now I'm in the studio where I belong. PXO 360, man. It's only the second day into the new year. I'm gonna bring y'all through some chambers tonight. You know what I mean? When my boy get back up here, my engineer and producer get up here, your boy DJ Scientific, we gonna get it in, man. We gonna show y'all how we do. Alright? Peace. And stacking in crates. So basically what you're doing right now, you're creating a booth, a sound booth. Of sound? Yeah, of sound.
Yeah.
That's really dope.
Exactly. Actually, I had a human soul.
So basically when I'm in the lab and I'm in the studio, man, I'm not getting into too much trouble. So this is where I'm supposed to be. PXO 360, man, like I said, second day into the new year. We gonna get it in. Yep. And I'm you damn right. Don't worry about what I be doing. Alright, goddamn it. It's the actuality show. Like I said, none of this is scripted. It's totally unscripted. Let's get it in. That's your boy DJ Scientific. So when you're wondering who's the white guy in the corner in the picture. When you see me, is where you gonna find me in the morning. Right here on the floor. Surrounded by music. I'm tired, man. Had a long day. And this is only the second day into the new year. Tomorrow's the third day. We'll see what get cracking tomorrow, man. I think I'm gonna record some music, but today Size out there, he's still making some beats. Started working on some new tracks, man. I listened to the stuff that I did the last session, but a lot of stuff is cracking today, man. I'm kind of physically drained and emotionally drained as well, so. But I'm not that emotional. Don't get it twisted. No, man. When I say it emotionally drained, like my emotion, but I'm not emotional. Some people get too emotional. Talk to y'all later, man. Get out my face with the camera. Get out. January 3rd. Spent the night in the studio. Just waking up. It's morning. Sunlight shines across your sleeping face. Around a new day brings reality, and we must go separate ways. Yeah, I never said I was a singer. I'm a rapper. Herc, where you going? Herc, where you going?
Store Herc?
Where you going? Where you going?
Uh-oh. I'm gonna fuck up your cartoon, sorry.
So what it do? Just left the homie side crib, man. I'm here, back at the lab safely, and I got some work to do, putting my studio back together. This is the homie studio right here, Almost Black, but I gotta come all the way in here. Okay, I'm going through all my things, trying to be calm. I am missing two very important things. I have a job interview on Monday, and I need my social and my birth certificate, right? I am also missing my hard drive. This is what I mean about drama, okay? I just picked up all my stuff from my ex's house. I know I didn't pack everything the way it was packed. I'm trying to overlook that. If I cannot find my identification and my hard drive, it's gonna be some drama. What up, man? It's your boy PXO Future Flow, and you are watching PXO 360, 360 Days in the Life of your boy Phoenix Orion. Today is Sunday, January 5th, 5 days into the new year. Starting off, pretty slow for me, which is cool, because, I've had a lot of great things going on, a couple of phone calls a day, a couple of emails back and forth with friends of mine, D-Claim, Super Nat, Killer Priest, talking about, and also Black Seal, can't forget my boy Seal, shouts out to my analog brothers, talking about some tours, man, and upcoming events. Whoa! Hit the pause button, man. Stop! 5 days. 5 days into the new year. Can't get no job. Gotta go get my ID all over again. Down to my last $20. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, man. I said this is actuality. Nothing to hide, man. Nothing to hide. Cause it's gonna grow. It's the last $20. Okay. Let's see how this all pans out, man. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down, but Lord knows I need things right now. Don't you know this, Lord? You know this, right? Don't you, God? You do know this, right? Biatch! I'm in the lab. It's where I live. It's what I love to do. I'm gonna do some recording today, man. Edit these tapes, upload this stuff so you can check it out, man. Check out the show every single week. Monday, I'm gonna be uploading PXO 360. Y'all check me out, man. Music always brings you back and it saves me. I'll see y'all, man, next week. See you next week. Go on, get out of here. Trap, homie, y'all run the club. Trap. Yeah, these rappers trash waste management. Trapping on them, even the mainstream panicking. PXO, future flow, who can handle him? He always sell a couple of mil and that's the minimum. Trap, no, this is trail rap. Fuck what you thought you heard, I'm bringing scale back. Sick Addis and Salematic, I still got it fully automatic. It's tragic.